Tricky words set 5. O, F, of. O, F, of. O, F, of. Anne had a tasty piece of cake. M, Y, my. M, Y, my. M, Y, my. My favorite color is blue. O, N, E, 1. O, N, E, 1. O, N, E, 1. I have only one candy left. H, I, am, him. H, I, am, him. H, I, am, him. Jake was feeling ill, so his mom took him to the doctor. T, I, M, E, time. T, I, M, E, time. T, I, M, E, time. Tanya spends a lot of time in the garden. I, T, it. I, T, it. I, T, it. It is raining heavily outside. H, E, R, hair. H, E, R, hair. H, E, R, hair. Her dress is very pretty. T, H, E, M, them. T, H, E, M, them. T, H, E, M, them. Tim and Sam are my friends, so I invited them to my party. M, R, Mr. M, R, Mr. M, R, Mr. My teacher is Mr. Smith. I, apostrophe, M, I'm. I, apostrophe, M, I'm. I, apostrophe, M, I'm. I'm having a fresh salad for lunch. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.